Hello, my name is Gemma Bellhouse, and I'm the Test Quality Assurance Manager within Global Assessments of the British Council. I'll briefly introduce the workshop that I'll be leading at New Directions in Sao Paulo in May 2023. The title of the workshop is Equality, Diversity, and Inclusion, EDI, and Test Preparation in the Classroom. So first, let's think about why EDI is important for you as teachers and education professionals. Generally, considering EDI issues when creating or choosing content is going to improve the quality of the learning and testing experience. And how can we consider which EDI issues are important for you? Well, this could be different for every classroom and every context. Students and test takers have different needs and perspectives, and they are coming from a range of cultures and socioeconomic backgrounds. I believe it is our jobs and our duty as test providers and leaders in education to make students and test takers have a smooth learning journey as much as possible. And part of that is making the learning content as relatable and accessible as possible. As such, this workshop will focus on answering the question, how can teachers make their students' test preparation and classroom materials more EDI focused? In this workshop, we will discuss specific points of EDI that impact on the testing experience. We will consider other cultures and scenarios, representation of gender and power roles, and how and whether to include accents. We will talk about how to choose, adapt, and create EDI-compliant images, audios, and texts, and what it means to be EDI compliant. There will be different types of hands-on activities during the workshop to prompt discussion and new perspectives. There will be ample opportunity to discuss and answer questions collectively. I will also pull out some guidelines during the workshop from the Global Assessments EDI policy that I developed and launched last year. The policy has specific recommendations to help test developers and classroom content creators alike to ensure equality, inclusivity, and diversity issues are examined constantly, and decisions about all types of content are taken carefully. We will look at the categories within the policy and discuss types of EDI of language learning content. These EDI categories are group representation, privilege balance, and socioeconomic inclusion. This policy is now being used to train our test item writers and is being shared with other test providers and across the language testing networks globally, and will be made available for participants of this workshop. I look forward to seeing you in Sao Paulo and sharing ideas about how to improve the classroom experience.